because it's in April. I don't have any salary to take will do it. Thank you. Don't fall because my channel, That's why you don't see me on live always. Because even though I go live every night, I can't earn dollars on my revenue because my channel is demonetized, Catalina. Thank you. Hello, Fredo Rodriguez. Hi. Thank you for appreciating it. Thank you. Thank you, 85 viewers. I hope you subscribe. Hopefully, I invite you to my channel to watch and support my videos. And this is all my video on the highlights of my live streaming. If you don't yet absent on my live streaming, you can watch again. I have ma'am, talikod naman kay gutom ako. Oh my god. Mukhang ganyan. Narinig ko talaga yung message na nakakaano. Tudo ko din ko. Hello, 106 viewers. Hi. Good evening to everyone. When do you want to get married? I don't know. I haven't seen any boyfriend here. Happy to see you, yes. I hope you're Juicy. Juicy, you're from. I hope you subscribe. Hello to my 100 viewers. Last time I go live on the, this is a late night, so I'm about viewers said that it's not early, so I gotta sleep early because it's not good for my health. But I need to get hard work on my channel. That's why my channel is, my subscribers goes up to 98, and then what happened, it goes down because of demonetize. Hello here. Hi. I want to help you with some money. Consider I live from you if it's possible. No, I don't know if I can get my salary in March, but I demonetize on March 24. I hope I can receive it this month of April 22. I hope the YouTube will give my revenue on March. How old are you? I'm not young anymore. HM photographer, you from want to help you with some money. How you can help me, HM? You can send me on, or you send the money remittance if you want to help me. Sad to say, so I have to go to other platforms. I know if I earn money there, but I try my best to have some other ways to earn in this what you call this online platforms. Hey, Ahmad Sadudin, thank you for watching, giving your time here on my vlog. So please share my live, guys, and also like, comment, and also already subscribe, and also click the bell button asa pag pwede mag-check sa messenger niyo. I'm from Algeria. I live in London, Britain. My messenger is Naomi Hamaru. Still Naomi Hamaru. Naomi is my name, and Hamaru is my family name. It's my Facebook and also my Instagram. Algeria, and I live in London. Britain. So, how are you going to help me, Britain? Or you without to sponsor me? You can't send any more super thanks here because it's all suspended. And whether you send me help on other remittances like Western Union or Chicas, what you call this is the way of sending money here in Philippines, and I know most in Western Union.